If you love WhatsApp groups, but they can drive you up the wall sometimes because you end up getting irrelevant messages and people start chirping all about things that aren't actually on mission, then you can use My Most Trusted Circles, which is a free app that specifically allows you to create conversations within a circle. It works like this. Imagine the circles on the left-hand side here are like WhatsApp groups. You can see I've got WhatsApp groups for many different reasons. Tech support, for my clients, help desk. I've even got networking groups that have been set up. And I've got a circle that's been created for my team as well. Now, the really nice thing about circles is you can create sub conversations within a circle. So this is my whole team. And let's say I want to create a conversation, but I want to remove people who are not going to be relevant to that conversation. I can do it really quickly. I can also then add new people that come from the outside and simply bring third parties in to a particular conversation if need be. Now, this is really, really useful because you can also go into a particular issue and you can flag it. So the green little boxes over here are those that are still open. In other words, I've got open conversations. Within a conversation, we can say, I'm working on it, it's been escalated, or it's finally resolved. Once it's been resolved, then it effectively disappears. You can also get little messages that notify you when a new message is available, and you can also turn off your email addresses and make life much easier for you. You can see people's LinkedIn profiles, so you can learn more about those people in the circle, and you can do some really cool stuff. So just to finish off, here's an example. You can see I've got 3 little messages waiting for me, and that means I haven't read them yet. So I've just read the one. Now let's go through here and check them out. So let's say, for example, go into my tech support. I can immediately see there's a message waiting for me, which I haven't read yet. And I can see there's an issue with the app. And here it is. I can fix it. Bang, off we go. So the great thing about Circles is it allows you to have the functionality of a WhatsApp group, but it allows you to bring new people in and allows you to remove people who are irrelevant very quickly. And it can also help you flag where in the process of solving that particular problem you are. To get it, just start using the My Most Trusted app, Chrome extension, and it's available at www.mymosttrusted.net.